Krystal's here, and I was going on a walk by my mommy's house, and you'll never believe what I found. Are you ready? It's something so cool and so funny. I don't know if you've ever seen one of these around your houses, but look what's here. What is that? What animal is that? And he's real. I think he's taking a nice little nap. What sound does this animal make? Look, he's moving. Oink, oink. Look. Maybe he's gonna get up. Oh, nope. He's just getting more in the shade. Here, I'll go to the other side so you can see him. He's so cute and big. Look at him. He's resting. I think it's his nap time. Is it your nap time, beluga friends? Okay, I just wanted to share. I hope you guys can tell us what you see on your walks and what kind of cool animals you see. All right, have a good day, beluga friends. Bye.